Good morning, YouTube. Scott Lett here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. I'm currently in my chair drinking coffee. It is 5:45 in the morning. Got my coffee here, hanging out with my dog. But anyways, everyone's still asleep because it's early. I think we lost an hour because of daylight savings time. But anyways, I'm always up early. This is my time to read the Bible and work on some admin work. I do a little bit of something every day. It makes my week a little bit easier. I don't mind doing it. I enjoy doing the admin work. But today, we're gonna go do a last minute graffiti job. So some high school kids decided to spray paint some very vulgar, explicit words under a bridge at one of the schools we cleaned for. And we went last week, and it took way more elephant snot than we thought, so we had to order some more. And I'm going to go today and finish the job. So what we use for graffiti removal is called elephant snot. And we just brush it over the graffiti spray marks, let it sit, and then literally just wash it off with a X-Jet nozzle. So, and this stuff works. And on the way there, we can talk about a mistake that I blame myself, but it's a mistake that our lead tech made in the field, and I had to fix it. But just something that you guys need to know about to avoid, and then how to fix this particular mistake. So we'll talk about it on the way to the graffiti job. See y'all in a little bit. Let's go get it. Another emergency job for Vestavia Schools. All right, guys, I brought the big rig out here since I needed to bring some water. See, I brought about 200 gallons. It's currently 326. This is one of our school accounts. Got some kids playing over there in the woods. So this wall right here had some graffiti on it. There's still a little bit over there, but I mean, it was a lot worse than that, but you can't even see it. So let me walk down here. I'm gonna put my water boots on. Uh-oh, about went down. That wall was covered essentially like this. So we're gonna do our best to get the rest of this off here. That side looks pretty good. Guys, I'm about to get started. Got my hoses pulled here. Brought some rags, a lance, my gun, my X-Jet nozzle, my coffee, some rags if I need to wipe my hands. I can use the water here, obviously. And here is elephant snot. So what you do is you take a paintbrush and pretty much just paint it all over the graffiti and then pressure wash it off. And a lot of you guys are wondering, man, what about the chemicals going into the water? That's biodegradable, so that can go into water. It's another reason we like using it. It's not gonna harm anything in this creek. So, and it works really well. That's what we used on this wall, but we ran out of chemical. You can tell how much better that looks. You can barely see a little bit over there. But I'm gonna do a time lapse, so y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, I am finished. It is 5:16. Took a little bit longer than I wanted it to, but it looks good. I'd say about 85% came off. The colored paint came off just fine, but whatever black spray paint they use, man, it was stubborn. But definitely looks a lot better. Very happy with how that turned out.